There are things so large that its light hasn't even had a chance to reach us yet. And things so small that the universe refuses to explain even what the hell they are. I'm Jason, and this is Through the Bulk, where curiosity talks back. And today, we're taking a vertical dive through reality itself. From the largest structures that exist, all the way down to the smallest scale that physics is even capable of describing. At the top is the observable universe. It's about 93 billion light years across. In meters, that's roughly 1 with 26 zeros after it. At this scale, space expands, time stretches, and entire galaxies move simply because space-time itself is growing. Zoom in 17 orders of magnitude, and you'll reach galaxies and stars. The Milky Way itself extends approximately 10 to the power of 21 meters. Stars are separated by distances so vast that light itself takes years to simply traverse the gaps. Already, reality is almost entirely empty space, just organized very confidently. Now drop down to the planetary scale, 10 to the power of 7 meters. This is where gravity behaves and orbits make sense. Then comes the human scale, 1 meter, 10 to the power of 0. This is truly the only scale that our intuition fully embraces and understands, which is unfortunate because it's wildly unrepresentative of how reality actually works. Shrink another 6 orders of magnitude, and you hit biology. Cells, bacteria, molecular machinery. Life running on chemistry, not intention. At 10 to the power of minus 10 meters, you reach atoms. And atoms themselves are mostly empty space. Solid objects aren't solid. You've technically never touched anything in your life. Go even smaller, 10 to the power of negative 15 meters, and you've entered the quantum world. Particles behave like waves, and outcomes exist as probabilities. Reality itself refuses to commit to anything until you look at it. This is where intuition formally resigns. And finally, the bottom of the ladder, the Planck length, about 1.6 times 10 to the power of negative 35 meters. To understand that gap, here's a comparison. The difference between an atom and the Planck length is roughly the same as the difference between a human and the Milky Way galaxy. Below this scale, space might not even exist. Time may not flow. Geometry may dissolve. Physics stops giving answers and starts whispering guesses. From the largest observable structures to the smallest meaningful unit of reality, the universe spans over 60 orders of magnitude. That's not one world. That's a stack of realities, each with different rules. And we live on a thin, comfortable slice right in the middle, balanced between infinity above us and the unknowable below.